Today we are doing the test of a portable air conditioner. We are testing it in a tent. This portable air conditioner can be used in tent. We will test the temperature change, the noise level. Okay, now the temperature ambient temperature is 33.8 degree. You can see. Okay, now the time now is 11, half past 11. Okay, now we let me open the air conditioner. There are 5 buttons here. This is open. Now we can change the mode here. Here is the open button, mode button. Temperature up, temperature low. This is the fan speed. Okay, now we change the, here you can see a snow icon here. This is for cold air. And then now the setting temperature is 19 degrees. And you can change the mode here. Now, without this icon, now this is a fan function. This is the cold function. Air speed can be 3 levels. Now this is the highest speed. This is condenser air out. This is condenser air in. This is evaporator air out. This is evaporator. Yes, this is evaporator air in. Now we are checking the noise level. The connection of this air conditioner is easy. You can just connect the pipe here, and this is adapter. Change from the AC power to this DC power. This is DC 24 volts. With this adapter, it's easy to change the power and use outside. I can feel the cold air here. You can see the cold air. The tent is with the air blow. Now the time is 11:33. After 10 minutes, we check the temperature inside the tent. The inside tent temperature is 28, 5 degrees lower after 10 minutes. And this is the condenser air out. It's for summer season. If we change the air conditioner with this evaporator air out pipe inside, it will provide the hot air for winter season. So this air conditioner can be used both in summer and in winter. And this portable air conditioner, there is no battery pack. User can use it with an 12 voltage to 24 voltage booster or an adapter with the AC power. Or if you want, you can prepare a battery pack to use it outside. But it is not in the package. Users will need to prepare it by themselves.